Okay, I might be a little retarded. I probably should have took the grill off first. It's like 4 screws and some pins.
But when you look at me, I'm lifted. Sitting on the mountain now.
So our lit logo, we're gonna find a location here. Honestly, it's probably gonna go more on this side, somewhere in here. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera. Maybe like right there somewhere. Well, I've got to Dremel out a couple spots here so the logo will fit in, but super easy. I picked up a Dremel. It's like 70 bucks at Lowe's. So you don't really need to use a Dremel to cut it out. You don't really have to cut out your bumper at all. There's a place for zip ties, so you can just zip tie and hold it on the grill. But I really want it to sit super flush to the grill and sit right here on this little lip right there. I want that bumper to meet up with that. So it just looks really flush to the bumper and it looks pretty good. So I think I found my spot. I got a notch out like right here, a little part of the grill. Oh gosh, I always have a worry when I'm cutting into the bumper or any part of the car. So very steady hand here, gonna need it. But now that I got this grill out, don't make the same mistake I did. Take the grill out and make life a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this stuff cut out. Like I said, I just want it to sit flush. Reminder, you don't have to do this. Alright, so we're almost done. I got a little bit more to kind of drill down, but it's almost wanting to go in there. So we're close, we're close. Okay, you know, it's not the prettiest.
I'm ugly.
You're ugly and what?
Square?
No, proud.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Like you can see a couple marks, but I say overall it's pretty daggone good. Alright, now it's time to set the grill back in and let's see what this thing looks like. Boom. That looks actually pretty stinking cool. I'm super excited to get this wiring up and get it lit up. I gotta do the wiring now. Super easy. They made it very, very easy. This is the box, the mother box where all the power goes through.
Huh?
This is just screws into the logo, which I'll show you later. You've got your ground and your power wire. Super easy. And then you got your fuse. This is the fuse that comes with, and yeah, your connector's right there. So super easy. Let's just go ahead and put this together and be done with it. Got my wire cutters here. All you gotta do is just snip this. It's literally connected. Just snip it in half. There you go. These things are old, man. I've had these for probably, shoot, I don't even know, a long time. Just strip a little bit of this wire. You know, get a little bit exposed there. And boom, done. So I got both sides exposed. You're gonna take this connector right here. All we're gonna do is take this zip tie right here, just twist it off real quick. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, so let's go and find the power wire, which is this one. Spread it apart a little bit and put them in the connector. Crimp it down. Well, it'll go in there. Oh, bruh. Come on. Bruh. Oh my gosh, come on. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So now, take something to crimp them together. Alright, so I had to go get some pliers. My wire strippers don't have any, like, crimping part integrated in it, because I went cheap. What am I doing? Alright, I know what I was doing there. Let's take this. Crimp it down. Oh, what the? Hold on. Bruh. My pliers don't work.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I just went and got some needle nose because Those pliers are whack. The ones I have, those are just crappy pliers.
You sure about that? You sure about that? That's why?
All right, I think it's in there. My lighter, there it is. All right, same thing. Heat this up so it shrinks to the wire. Don't leave any loose ends. So it's done. Boom. Look at that. Perfection. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to record this, but all I did was some 3M tape that comes with this. Just put it right here, and it's honestly by the intake scoop, so probably should keep it a little bit cooler. Probably not.
Woohoo! I'm a college man! I won't need my high school diploma anymore! I am the smart! I am the smart!
Connected the positive right here. I'll hide the wires later. I'm a big advocate for hiding wires. And I just put the negative on the ground right here. And, well, look at that. That's crazy. Now, you can change solid color, you can change auto, you can do brightness, a whole bunch of different things, but this is a mean beast.